Hey guys, this is Poet Spice, and I am here to do a video for the Embellishments on the 11th collab with Deb Hauk. So in the description below, you'll find all the links for people who are participating and the hashtag. So if you want to play along, definitely go down there and look at that, and then, go ahead and pull out your stuff, make some embellishments. Okay. I also have two tutorials that I used, and I cannot remember who exactly the names were. I think one was Spark something Bird, and I don't remember the second person, but they were both doing a JJ mass make or makes March. And so I saw their videos and I was like, oh yes, we're going to try that. So let's get started. I made some hidden paper clips. So I'm just going to pull this book out here to use to show you these hidden paper clips. And then I used the other tutorial to make like these fold out paper. I forget what she called them, but anyway, so here we go. Now I did not decorate them all up. I did do this one, and I do have some flowers that I want to put on here, but I mainly just wanted to play with the concept of making them. So I used some paper from my stash. So this is also a crack the vault thing. I used paper in my stash. I had bought paper clips from Amazon, and I used the 2-inch jumbo ones, and I like the gold ones. So I had some around here before, couldn't find them, so I just went ahead and ordered them, and they came in this plastic bin, so I was very happy with that, rather than a little bag. So these are the clips, and so I did take out some Anna Griffin ephemera and I put it on here. And so basically here's your clip, and notice you see no paper clip at all because it's all hidden. Now you can see the impression of the one side and maybe the other, but as you see, I'll just do this. You could take it and you can just slide it like that onto your tab. And of this one, it's where it stands up above. She also has it where you can make it flush so that it will be right down level with the page. I like it to stick up because I want it to be like tabs on my junk journals and my planners and all that kind of stuff. So I made two. I didn't make two of this one, but so here's just this purple one, and I just took this and like I said, it's all stash paper, and I did that. I thought the little butterflies were cute, and I inked up the edges. So there's two of those, and you can make them as like, you can make it double wide. It was fabulous. You could put 2 paper clips in, so you can make it like really long, whatever. And like I said, I made all mine stick up, but you can make them so that they actually would go flush. So then I just took some other papers, and these you will see later on. This was from Paper Studio Haberdashery paper, and so I just made these 4. Well, yeah, 4. And then I made 3 more, but you'll see those later. So I had to make those and see how they were. I love them. And then she did another one showing how you can make like little booklet type things. So I thought that was fabulous. There you go. Now, like I said, I don't remember the other lady's name, but I will put both of the links in the description box below. And if I remember, which I usually don't, I'll try to do an iCard. So she had, these were like for junk journals, but she had made these kind of like folder inserts, whatever. And you're supposed to glue them down. That's the purpose, but I then took it and just ran with it, adding different things and so forth. So basically, she took a 6x6 piece of paper, cut it or folded it down the middle at 3, and then off of one side, depending on whether you wanted it to be on this side of the page or that side of the page, cut 1 inch off to use belly bands and da-da-da-da. So I kind of went like I usually do, overboard. So I'm trying to see if I can find one that was relatively, okay, here's one that's relatively simple, more like what she did. So this would be your 6x6, cut 1 inch off, right? And then she had used that piece as a belly band. I just folded it over and then made a tuck spot. And so this would be the page you glued onto your journal or whatever. And then, so this would be glued down, and then you could have a tag here, pocket there, and then I did put a pocket on the back. Let's see if you can see it. like that. So pocket. So I got out my little, once again, this is all could go in my Crack the Vault because this is all stash paper. So pulled out that, and then you could just stick those in here like that. So that's this one, and I made like 6 of them or something like that. So here is, I'm trying to find the ones that were plain like she made them. So here, this is one towards the end, so I was adding all kinds of stuff. But this is, again, here's your 6x6 cut down an inch. I did take that off and make a belly band. And then I took another page and folded it in half, put a little thing here, a pocket, and then I put a piece on the front to a pocket. So there's a pocket here, a pocket, slip it in the belly band like this, and you can open it. I had a tag sitting on my desk, so I put that in there. Then I had this paper that I cut down, and there's another thing to write on. And then on the back, I just left it plain because I liked the design. All right, so then I'll show you this one. This one, I put 2 pages together. So I'll take this off. I had a scrap, folded it in half. Here's the belly band. You open it up. Here's the piece you would glue down. I took another piece of paper, made a tag, another little piece, and then I put this piece here for a pocket on the inside. Then when you go this way, there's another belly band. Let's see, and then you can open it, right? So there's, you open it, and then there's a pocket and a pocket, and a tag, and a tag. And these were so quick to make because I guess their whole thing was like fast because it was a mass make. Whoops. And then I'm going to show you how these can lay on your pages in a minute. So then you have this one, and I was going to do something, so I cut it in half, but changed my mind. And so I put a little piece of that other tag here, and then you've got this. I cut out just some other pieces with some scrap paper to make some tags that go here. This was a tag, and I cut the other half, and when we turn it over, you'll see that I cut that, glued it on here so that it sticks out like that, but then there's room for a pocket right here. And then I left this because I like the doors. So you got that you can do. I made this one, which I glued 2 of them together. And so here is this piece that you would attach somehow. I made a pocket. Here's some more tags in there. Then you turn it over. Here are tags I cut out. I took this piece, which is the top piece here. I cut it. Then I folded it. Then I put that little there. The piece here I folded down. So now you have basically a pocket back here. You have this little pocket that would have been here. You've got this pocket. So I put one there. And then I'll take this out. Then there's a pocket here on the side. So tons of extra space to add in. And then, like I said, okay, there we go. Because I glued this one down. So there's that one. Then, you know me, Christmas is my lovely time. I love Christmas. So I did a Christmas one. And you can see how much more I went in on these versus just this little, you know, this one. So from this all the way to here. So here's the flap that you would glue down into your book. I put a little folder one on it that opens this way. So you've got a little sticker, you've got some writing space here. And then I put this sweater weather banner here, but it creates a pocket. So there's 2 more little tags in there. Then you open it up, and they had this cute little ephemera piece, and you'd have to, I cut it down just a little bit so there would be no interference with the spine. And then I scored it here so that we could glue it to this card. So when you open it, it looks like that and gives you more space to write. And then this piece is glued onto the back. So you've got this little compact thing like that, and I love it. So I got carried away making those, which was so fun. And then these were just some extras. So let me show you how you can put these on so it makes some sense. Now, you're supposed to glue it down using your short tab, but I also figured you could use a paper clip until you knew where you specifically wanted it. So we're just going to take this page, and because this is the short piece, we would put the glue here. That means that this is going to go this way on the page. So we would glue it on this side, and this piece would come over, and it would look like that. And then there would be a pocket here because I got a pocket right there. So there's a pocket with some tags, and then this is glued down, obviously. And so then you could open it up, do some more writing, put another tag there, and so forth. But so it'd be on that side, and then when you flip the page over, it would look like this. And so this would be glued down, and it would secure all that to the page, and you know, you could move it up, down, whatever. I suppose if I had done it in a different way, well, actually, you probably still could. You could put it on the top. So you could put it like that if you rearranged your stuff, because then it would go here, and then this would be up there, and your tag still would work. Now, what I was saying is you could also paper clip this on, and then that way it's still in your journal, but if you want it on a different page, then you could go ahead and move it until you were certain that that's where you wanted it to go. So that's always a good choice. So let me show you how the other ones would roll. I'm hoping this is not too long of a video for you, but I just thought this was so quick, easy, and interesting. So once again, this would be the short end. So that would go like here, and it would get glued down, right? And so then this side would open this way, and then you could write da 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 da. You'd have some more tags that you could put in and some more writing. You could put pictures in there, you know, recipes, whatever else you needed. And then on the other side, it would look like this. And so now you flip it out. Woo-hoo. And flip it out again. Let's see if I can get it in there some more. And then you have more space to write. And then, like I said, you could go ahead and flip that all up. And if you put a paper clip on it, then you could move it. So cute. And then, so same with the other ones. Like this would go this way. And then you'd have this here. Tag, tag, tag. Yada, yada, yada. Same thing. And like if you wanted it on this side, you could just flip it upside down when you created it. Or in this case, I could just fold these back, and then this one would be on this side. And then this would be like that. So do that. And then like here, this one would be fun. I got to remember which way I put it because I did. There we go. So like this one would be this way. So put this one here. I got this extra little piece that would be there, or it could stick out on the edge. Da, da, da. Or I could just decide that, nope, I'm going to put it in there, whatever. Does that make sense? So I could do that. And then on the other side is where you would have your flip out. And there would be, this is another belly band. So I just thought that was so fun. So yeah, hope that was enjoyable. Hope you like those embellishments for junk journals. You could even do it for cards or Happy Mail, whatever. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and definitely check out the other ladies. And yeah, description box below, check it out. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. So, hi guys, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys are doing okay out there, and be safe, be blessed, and, you know, enjoy yourself, and don't put up with crap. Bye.